Stop. Before you skip this, I need you to hear something nobody is going to say to your face. You are not who you think you are. You are who your environment has repeatedly confirmed you to be. Your friends, your routine, your city, your feed, they are not supporting your growth. They are enforcing your limits. And you've been calling that comfort. Real transformation doesn't start with habits or routines. It starts with disappearing, going quiet, removing yourself from environments and audiences that know your old story. Here's what that actually looks like. You stop explaining yourself. You go quiet on social media, or at least stop performing on it. You spend less time in conversations that pull you backward. You create space, silence, and distance. Then, in that space, you rebuild. New habits, new inputs, new standards for how you spend your time and who you spend it with. It feels uncomfortable at first. People will notice. Some will push back. Let them. Because when you finally resurface, you won't need to announce the change. Everyone will already see it.